Right, quite excited. See what we've got here. Looks like this top lid comes off, so I just cut the straps. Right, this is my new SpaceMate, sent to me by Simon at SpaceMate, not free. I paid for this full price with my own money. So let's open the box, see what we've got in there. Wow, look at that, fantastic. That's the tray. You've got some packing either side. Now, I do know that the actual rubber mat that goes in there is missing. Not sure what that is, but that would make a mat. But anyway, Simon says that the rubber mat will be on its way next week. So let's have a look, see what we've got. And actually the rubber mat is in here. That's good. He did say that they were out of stock, but obviously they managed to come in before he dispatched it. So there's no instructions, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. Should be some bolts, I think, somewhere. Not really sure where at the moment. Nothing there. Here we are, look. And the instructions. They're the bolts. And they're the instructions. Do I need to read the instructions? Probably not. As it's only one page, I'll make an exception. There we go. Yep, fairly straightforward. I've already moved the seats forward. It seems to be just a case of inserting. Yeah. Remove the gas bottle door. Yeah, okay, well I'll do that. I don't actually keep anything in there apart from tools, I think is all that's in there. Actually it's my jet boil and a tow rope, and I don't know what that is. What's that? Oh, that's the puncher kit, the van puncher kit. So it says remove, we'll remove that, keep that safe somewhere. And final tightening, seat adjustment. So what I can see, it's a case of putting these in the channel, tighten them up, hook the space saver over it. So let's get it in and see roughly where it's going to come to, because this line here, it can't come any further that way, because that's where the tailgate closes down onto. So initially I need to get it up and in. Just tip it on one side for a minute. It has a latch on the front which allows it to slide, I assume. Yes, it does. So we'll leave that latched for the time being. Right, slide it into there. Now, the only thing is, I'm wondering if the battery cover, when it's in, Yeah, still have access to the battery cover. So I'll just slide that forward a little bit so I can see where I need to put the bolts in there. So according to my calculations, it needs to go somewhere about there. Probably a little bit further that way. Right, I'll just climb in there, put these little fixings in. They've got nice little thumb turns on them, or you can fix them permanently. So yeah, great. Okay, so get these out. Right, there's nice little slots in there. Right, this is a real easy fix. I'm going to put it on these, not the permanent bolts. I'm going to put it on, not the permanent bolts, I'm going to put it on the finger operated ones. So, put these in the channel. Right, they are in the channel. I'll just lift this up. That's it, lift it up, lower it down onto there, put the washer on either side and tighten it down. Just tighten it down, sort of temporary, so I can still, oops, that's a bit too temp. There we go, so I can move it to the final position. Just go back round the front. Let's move that to the position where I think it should be. Pretty parallel down both sides. Right. Excellent. Look at that. That's brilliant, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Yep, really pleased with that. Let's remove the protective tape. Well, that didn't take long, did it? Brilliant. Brilliant. There we have it. Look at that. I mean, that didn't take 10 minutes to install if you exclude all of my faffing about. And yeah, really pleased with that. Really pleased. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little SpaceMate video. And I will catch you on the next one. If you like the content, please subscribe. Click the like button. And see you later. There you go. That's how far it comes out. It comes right to the edge when it's fully open. So everything you put in there you can now get to, rather than it being just a big pile of junk in the back. Excellent.